know. Why didn't you bring any today?
I
could have drowned our sorrows in cookies.
You're a bad person, pal.
Yeah, you really are.
I know.
Okay, so anyway, we had a very passionate, shall we say, conversation about this last night, and it is an important conversation to have. Let's get past this one before we get into the next conversation, shall we? Let me go to Robert in Michigan.
Morning, gentlemen.
Hey, how are you?
I have not missed one of your episodes in over 10 years, so I'm a big fan.
Wow,
And I gotta
thank
tell
you.
I've
not,
missed several.
Not one episode.
Wow. God bless
Not
you.
one.
How
I
you
always go
doing?
back and listen.
Thank you.
Very rarely do I listen live.
Oh, well, you're doing it now.
We are doomed as a nation. We just witnessed last night the sword being pulled out of the sheath, and I think this country is about to fall on it. If we can't correct the situation that we're in now with what we had in the last 2 years, it's not going to get better. And Glenn, you call yourself a catastrophist.
Yeah.
You guys are awful positive today for what we're witnessing. There's no red wave. There isn't even a red ripple going on in this country. And if the people aren't smart enough to see that and they vote people like Lurch into office, we're screwed.
Yeah, well, thank you for that uplifting message.
It's not a terrible take.
It's not a terrible
I think
take.
there's an argument for his position. I don't think it's as dire as he's saying, but I think
Because there's still a chance. There's a chance. There is some hope. We are going to take the House. So you got that going for you.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Yes, exactly. And there is an outside chance we still get to 51-49 in the Senate.
Yeah, I
It's a
think
chance.
I think that's true. I think what he's expressing there, though, is a little bit different, which is there's a
Should have been much
a
more
political
definitive
argument that this could still turn out relatively well for Republicans, but there was not this I must stand up, take a stand, I must change this is so bad. There's just no signal sent, with the exception of Florida, where I think there was clear, and I will say some governors did. Beto was not even competitive here in Texas. There were some statewide races that did, I think, send some pretty clear messages.
Oh, yeah.
The fact that Kathy Hochul almost lost in New York was a pretty big message.
Yeah, but